how to download and use the official Fantasy Premier League app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and use the official Fantasy Premier League app on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the search section, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for Fantasy Premier League app. And here on the result page, simply tap on the first link. And here, once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. So here, as of right now, I have already installed the Premier League app on my phone. So here, if you haven't installed the app, you just have to tap on the install button. And after that, you just have to wait for the app to finish downloading. And here, once it's done, you can simply open the app. And here, once you open the app, and here you need to make sure that you log in to your account. But if you are new, you can just tap on sign up and follow the steps to create a new account. And now that you are in, from the dashboard, you can pick your squad, make transfers, you can choose captain, you can join or create a mini league, you can activate chips like wildcard or free hit. And you can also tap the menu icon to view your team details, league standings, and game week points. So make sure to check back each week before the deadline to update your team. And there you can even enable notification in your settings so you never miss a transfer deadlines or a lineup reminder. And that's it. That's how you can download and use the official Fantasy Premier League app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.